Hey my beauty family, this is Valya, and in today's video I'll show you this look, which is a very nice, pretty, beautiful, warm, pink colored, warm tone colored look. This is my easy and quick makeup current routine. So, my friends, if you wanna know how this video goes down, carry on watching and let's get right into it. I have filled in my brows as usual with my Brow Ultra Slim, a medium brown defining pencil, which is a very nice thin pencil for my brows, and it helps me to define my brows very well, and from the other side it's full. Then I have sculpted them up with my Fit Me Maybelline Concealer in the shade 20 on the underbrow area, and on the upper brow area I have cleaned up with my Fit Me Matte and Poreless in the shade 105, and of course I continued to prepare my lid with the same Fit Me concealer and the Sabrina Rudnick pressed powder, and now my lids are ready for my shadows. In today's video, I will do for you a very quick and easy, affordable and easy makeup routine. This is my current makeup routine. So, I'm gonna use only my bronzer by MUA, which is this, a very nice bronzer, taking this fluff big brush and starting to apply on my crease. You can use any bronzer you have. I prefer your bronzer to be in a warm tone colors, brown colors, because they are in some bronzer, like another I have, which is this, which is a little more orange. I prefer the brown color. And starting to apply the product from the inner corner to the outer corner and upwards. It is a very easy look and quick and easy, and it's affordable because, as I have told you many times, I think that we can create a very beautiful look with affordable products and very easy for you. You are in a hurry. It is my current makeup routine, as I have told you. Like you see, it is very easy. I'm doing it to my other eye, of course, taking the same bronzer from the inner corner to the outer corner, of course, with circular motions, but quick motions, I have to say. Although you can apply this bronzer on all your eye and your lid, but I prefer to use another shadow more. My bronzer is ready. I'm taking my Eye Thick Drama by 7 Cool Cosmetic Kit, in which I'm gonna use this, which is a very nice shimmery pink shadow, and taking this flat by Cosmofan number 110 brush and taking this shadow to apply it on the lid. It is very easy, as we have told. I really like to combine brown and light pink. There are two colors, brown and pink, that match it so well together. Very easy for you. And a quick look, makeup routine look. This is my current makeup routine, because I don't remember if I have told you that all we makeup artists, all we persons, we have to change our routine from time to time, season to season. Beautiful. Really beautiful. And bright and soft for every day. Soft makeup routine. I'm doing the same to my other eye. I really love this palette. It's one of my favorites. It is very affordable. Very affordable. But it has so nice colors. They are all warm tone, and this pink and burgundy colors that matches to me, to my personality, to my style of life, matches to me very nice. And to the most of you, I have to say, the colors, this color matches to the most of each personality you have. As you see, it is so easy. I think this routine will not take for you more than 10-12 minutes. Maybe I will do some more today because I'm talking, I'm trying to explain. If you do this look on your mirror inside and don't talk, you will see you don't need more than 10-12 minutes. Now, taking my Wet n Wild Blossom Glow Highlighting Powder, and this is it. I will use highlighter. Of course, you can avoid that step because it is a routine, makeup routine, but I like and something more glamorous. And starting to apply a little of that glam highlighter under my brow bone. It is the same color than my shadow. Very, very nice. Just a few coffee while I work before I need coffee because today is a day very hard for me from work. I work from 8 in the morning and I think this is now 4:30 and I don't have finished yet. When I finish my video that I'm doing for you, I have to go to do makeup for the bride today and for some friend, her mama, her bridesmaid. So I have to be in hurry. What else? What else? I think I will apply some eyeliner. Although I can avoid that, but I will apply some eyeliner. Yes, you can leave it as it is, but you can have an eyeliner. So I will use my lovely Maybelline Hyper Precise All Day Matte. This is my loveliest eyeliner with it, and if you are a beginner, I insist to take the eyeliner in this shape like a pen because it is more easier for you to apply than a pomade or another liquid liner. This is, as you see, very thin and it helps you and me, of course, to define my eyeliner, my line root, eye root, very quick and very easy. So, going to apply my eyeliner and coming back. My liner is ready and now I'm going to wear my lash. Of course, as we have told, this is a makeup routine. You can avoid any step. You can do your mascara and your lashes, paint, make up your real natural lash. But I want, as I have told, it is on my opinion that I like to wear a false lash. And in this makeup look, I will wear my Dawn Beauty lashes. Which are they? They are not very extravagant, as you see. They are not very long, they are not very thick. They are suitable for a daily look, for the makeup routine. So, of course, before that I'm going to use my eyelash curler and to do my mascara on the upper lashes, and then I will wear my false lashes. I'm going to prepare them and coming back soon. And my lashes are ready. So my eyes are ready, completely ready. As you see, it's a very nice bright look and soft. And now I'm going to prepare the rest of my face. I'm gonna use for today, as always, my L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear 32 hours a day. Before that, I will use my Fit Me Face Studio Prime Protecting Primer with SPF 30. Which is an hydrating primer. As we have told, I prefer the hydrating primer, but this is because my skin is combo to dry. If you have a skin very oily, you have to choose a mattifying primer. But I like the moisturizing primer for me. And I will mix with my L'Oreal Infallible with my Science Beauty foundation. This is complete, has a full coverage, and this has a light coverage. My Infallible is Double Sun 220. I'm applying the two products on the back of my hand. I think it's the best way. And taking my Real Techniques Expert Face Brush and starting to apply the product on all the face, and of course I will continue my foundation to apply it with my beauty blender. Then I will use my Fit Me in the shade 20 by Maybelline, and this is it, my concealer on the inner part of the eye, some on the outer part. This is the right way to apply your product. Some dots on the bridge of the nose, 2 lines between the mouth which is a mini lift, some product on the chin, and some product on the mustache area. And of course taking my beauty blender to apply the whole product. Of course you can use a brush, but I prefer the blender. Now I'm going to set up the whole face. I'm taking my loose powder by Aiba and my beauty blender and setting up the under eye area. In this video I will not do bake because, as we have told, it in the makeup routine and I don't need that, so I will only set up the whole face, starting to apply the under eye area, and then with the same powder, or if you want a compact powder, I'm applying and I'm setting up the rest of the face. I will apply in the compact powder. If you have oily skin, apply both of them to avoid the greasiness. And of course taking my eyebrow 11 and my Sabrina Rudnick pressed powder and setting up, of course, the rest of the face. I applied 2 powders. This time I really love these powders. They make my face so clean. Continuing with the rest. Contouring by Wet n Wild contouring palette in the shade Caramel Toffee. Under the cheeks, where is the bone? On the forehead, on the jawline. And some contouring with this type of brush on the nose. Very nice, I love contouring. Taking by Elixir these 2, I will take bronzers, because as we have told, when we apply contouring, always apply an bronzer, or otherwise, if you don't apply contouring, apply only bronzer in the same part of the face that we apply the contouring. Continue with the same palette, and I will take these 2 pink blushes. It is Elixir Makeup 877 Blush and Bronzer palette. I really love that. And Wet n Wild highlighting powder in the shade Blossom Glow, my highlighter, to apply some on the cheekbones, on the bridge, on the cupid's bow, and on the temples. Going to continue to finish with the under eye area, applying the same product, the bronzer. In this case, we have only the bronzer. Going to apply the bronzer. Applying some highlighter on the inner corner, of course. My Wet n Wild retractable eyeliner on the waterline area. On this look you can apply also in the brown liner on the waterline area, and some on the upper waterline. And of course my Maybelline the Colossal Care Bounce Mascara only on the bottom lashes, and 1 coat don't need matte. We have told it many times. I avoid when I wear false lashes to apply mascara on the upper lashes. I apply my mascara on my natural lashes before I wear the false. And of course, lipstick, Elixir 056, a pink to fuchsia color. Leticia Well lipstick, flash effect, number 77, a very nice classic pink color, matte color. Beautiful pink color. And of course, the last step is I Heart Revolution Fixing Spray to make our look last during many hours of the day, taking the excess with our beauty blender because it is more wet. My friends, this is my recommendation for you for today. This is my current makeup routine, which is easy and quick and affordable, I have to say. I think I choose colors that the most of you can wear, the most skin personalities, skin colors, all of you, I think, almost 100% the people can wear these colors. So my friends, if you like that video, give it some thumbs up, leave a comment below, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and ring the notification bell, and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Love you, friends!